Hey everyone, welcome back to our JavaScript interview preparation series. This is episode 7 and today we are going to cover one of the most confusing but most important topics in JavaScript, that is callback, promises and async await. So let's start with callbacks. So a callback is simply a function that passed as an argument to another function that to be executed later. If you are not getting, let's give an example so you'll have a better understanding. Let's start with callback. So basically a callback is simply a function that passed as an argument to another function that can be executed later. So this is basically a function, and here we are passing the argument to a callback function and we are taking as a parameter, and we can call this callback function whenever we need. If we have tomorrow 1000 lines of code here, and after that also we can call. So let's run and check whether this is working or not. Yeah, it is working, callback function, right? So let's have another example which will be little bit tricky. So as you can see here, we have one nested function. So imagine you have a multiple async task like this one. First get the user, then get the post. First we have to get the user, then we have to get the post, and then we have to get the comments. So do you see, like, this is a nested function. So first we have to get all the dependent on each other. So tomorrow if you have more function like this, it will be created a callback. It will create a callback hell. So this is a pyramid of safe. It's called callback hell. And trust me, interviewer love to ask this. So how do you fix this mess? So here promises comes into picture. Like, what is promises basically? So promises is like a placeholder for a value that will be available in the future. Instead of nesting, we will chain. Like this is a nesting. We have to chain that one. Okay. First, let's give an example. Now instead of callback hell, we will use dot then chaining like this. First our data will be fetched, then processing data, then processed. So this can be as nested as you can. Let's run and check how it was working. After 2 seconds, fetch data using promise, then processing data. For an example, tomorrow something network error happened. So if we rejected this promise, our catch will easily catch all the errors. Like we don't have any mess. So this is how promise work. And using this promise, we can solve the callback hell issue. And the interviewer will love to hear this. So now, if you see, sometimes chaining also get too much longer. If you have here, maybe another 15 chaining, another 15 dot then. So that also get too long. That's why JavaScript gave us some even more cleaner way, that is async and await. The last topic our, that is async and await. Like async and await is just syntactic sugar on top of promises. It lets you write asynchronous code as if you are using synchronous. For an example, we have this fetch function. We are taking this one only. Now we will change the promises. If you see this one, like first what we have done is, this is like syntax of async await. Even we have to use async and then we can await. First we are just getting the fetch data and we are trying to console, and then again we are trying to the processing data and we try to console. Let's run and check whether it was working. Yeah, it was working. See how chain is this? No nesting, no chaining, just straightforward code. In interviewer, if they ask like in a simple way, what is the one line difference, like callback, promises and async await. Like callback function passed to another function. Promises handle async task using dot then and dot catch. Async and await cleaner way of writing syntax promises. And boom, you will get the full marks. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.